Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on iPhone Safari browser. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we need to make sure your device allows app installation. To do that, simply open the settings and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on screen time. And in this section, you can simply tap on content and privacy restriction. Now next, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. And here you will see the option for installing apps. Tap on it. If it is set to don't allow, you can tap on allow and this will ensure that you can download apps without any restrictions. Now we have fixed the settings. Let's download an app using Safari. So open your Safari and search for any apps that you want to download. Now tap on the official link and you should see the download options. So go ahead and install it. And as you can see, the app is installing successfully. And that's it. Now you know how to download apps from Safari if your app store is missing or restricted. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.